Ooh, second day in Korea. Last night was a blur, so we didn't really vlog it. Lumi's joined us. Great hat, Lumi. We're in a ancient village in Korea. I don't know how old it is. Do you know how old it is?
I can't remember how old it is, but apparently it's one of those things that wasn't destroyed during the war.
UNESCO stuff.
Yeah, they actually protect this one. So it should be pretty cool.
Should be cool. I brought the drone, so if it's not raining, because it's really cold as well, we've got no
shorts wasn't such a brilliant idea.
Yeah. But got a coffee. Koreans just don't know how to make a good coffee.
I got hot chocolate.
Is it good?
Yeah.
All right, hot chocolate is good here, but coffee just lacks love. We make coffee in Australia. We make it with love. I think that's what it misses. Anyway, should be pretty good. Stay with us. So me and Lumi got some matching hats. You ready? I don't care how dumb I look. I am pretty warm.
I decided not to.
I'm gonna do it. I can't do a Terry Crews where I do the pecs, but indeed. This man thinks I'm handsome. Handsome?
Yeah, very handsome.
Indeed. I love this hat.
But this allows me to completely express my feelings about turbulence in a plane. It's like...
You wish you got one now, don't you?
I do.
Oh, finally found some cherry blossoms. I'm surprisingly happy. Oh man, the one bad thing flying a drone when it's this cold is my fingers are frozen and I've lost everyone as well. So it's a nice place. Very nice. Makes me happy. Annyeong. Everyone tends to like it. I found you. I'm so surprised to see you. So happy.
Hello.
Hey.
Hello.
We're at a traditional Korean market.
I want the slinky.
Yep, full of traditional heritage listed goods.
This is not traditional.
Duh, I'm being sarcastic. I'm being sarcastic. No. I really love this, how everyone is honest here. So it's an honesty market. So you pick up what you want and then you put the money in the box and you get your change. No one is operating. That's what I love about Korea. It's really safe here and it's very hard to get robbed. Anyway, so much crap to buy though. And elderly people screaming at the clouds. Hiya, come on.
I'm trying.
Korean tuk-tuk. Where'd you buy, Lemmy?
I don't know.
What are they? Like little rice cake bowls? Is it yummy?
Warm.
We've decided instead of catching the bus to go for a walk. It's nice here, huh, Lemmy?
Yeah.
Near the river. Well, this concludes the whatever name village we just went to. But one thing about these sort of old places is I think once you've seen one old house, you've seen them all. But if you're going to see an old house in Korea, I recommend this one. It was pretty good, right, Lim?
What?
It was pretty good here, right?
Yep.
Yeah.
Cherry blossoms.
But the only thing I wanted to see is an actual bunny.
Right, okay. As usually, non-educational comments from Lumi. But yeah, cherry blossoms, good drone footage, great photos. Old place, good. Haven't had I'm pretty hungover for a good time. And it's 700 years old, so.
And good twigs, very good twigs.
And they call me drunk. Anyway, subscribe, like, share, all that nice crap. Found the rabbits in the wood. Rabbit in the wood. He's finally made the switch. So I've been lighted this whole time. I thought I was a dog, but apparently I'm a rabbit.
Yeah, it's a rabbit.
Oh, so disappointing.
That was not a rabbit.
Well,
Yeah.
to be honest, I didn't actually.
Looks like a rabbit. Look at the nose.
Well, I can't see anything, can I? All I see is my shadow. Ah, lies.
my God.
My whole life is. I'm just going to take these back now.
Oh my god.